When husbands in matrimonial disputes try to delay the wife's maintenance case against them, it's a slippery slope that you have to be very careful. And listening to the advice and the experience of an experienced divorce lawyer is very helpful. Let me give a small illustration. This is about 3 years ago. This client who was fighting his matrimonial dispute case for a very long time came to me. We were fighting out. We also availed of our civil and criminal remedies against the wife and her family members. Things were relatively smooth. There's one small miscalculation by the client led to severe consequences in ways you cannot even imagine. The client at this, I think, fifth or sixth or seventh maintenance case hearing says to me, Amish ji, even this time we are going to seek for more time. And I said, it's okay, I will seek more time, but at least let's have our income affidavit ready, because if in case the court really pushes us, we should have it ready, we should be filing it, because if there is any small miscalculation, the court can hit us with a large maintenance order. And I explained to the client, and I say this on multiple times on the internet, it is much better to get an adjudication order against you when your income affidavit is on the record compared to if it's not. The problem is wives will very often as a legal strategy say that my husband is earning 5x, 10x, 20x what the actual income is. So in this case also the husband, I don't know whatever, as an engineer he was earning. The wife claimed that he earns 4 times more money, and now the husband has, for one reason or the other, refused to file income affidavit, is delaying this process in the courts. I specifically remember family court 30,000. And the client tells me, Amish ji, this time also we take a date because the client is not available. And I go there and I tell the client it's going to be a difficulty. Let's please file. Let's please at least have it ready. The judge says, I've given you multiple opportunities. Today was the final opportunity. Are you going to file it or not? And I said, my lord, upon instructions, I state that income affidavit is not ready because of some last minute nuances which are required to be filled out. The judge says, you see the orders at 4 p.m. I close the file and I tell the client, we can even file it right now. Let's do it. Now, Amish ji, what order will come? The court fixed a huge sum, and I do not want to disclose for the possibility of identifying the parties in this ongoing still litigation. The judge fixes a rather large amount of maintenance, and the judge says, I have nothing to base my decision on except the claims of the wife, where the wife has claimed the husband earns 5, 10x what he actually does. The client, I'll mention this, the client was so traumatized by this decision. He told me a week later, because he was incognito for about 7 days, he was walking on the street, not paying attention, got hit by a moving vehicle, lost his job, and was then still burdened with paying this maintenance. And the client's case is still going on. Very, very unfortunate. But just a stark reminder, especially the first half of the story, that you cannot play fast and loose when it comes to maintenance cases. You use your legal strategies, but there are plenty good ones out there. Rather than saying, my lord, income affidavit, I need more time to file my reply or income affidavit, can backfire really bad on a lot of occasions.